G'day mate, got some work for this little saw to do in the yard in a minute. I'll show you. But this is the tattooed piston one too. I couldn't work out which one was what because they're both the same looking. But the tattooed's got a little T just on that bit of aluminium there. Had to dig it up, but you can only just make it out. It should go up deep, but I haven't run it since last time I had it going, which is probably a few months now. So I'm waiting if the tune was still good and is it worth doing. So I'll do a run and I'll show you what I'm doing. I've got unloaded a wood trailer and some of the wood's too long to be burnt in the fireplace. So I'll go then do the cutting. So as you can see, I've got two of these saws. They're both identical basically. Just stickers really, all different. And this one here's got the screen still in the muffler, factory muffler. I'll pull this one out and this one here. So I can get more exhaust gets out. That's about it. Been poured. Tattooed piston. Get more performance at 45cc. Now question for you. What do you think is more painful? Using a chainsaw or porting a chainsaw? I can tell you, porting a chainsaw because of my medical issues, putting your head forward, bending over for hours, it hurts because it really hurts. So I prefer to use the chainsaw actually. So we'll start her up. Give myself some room there for camera. So we'll see if she starts anyway because it's cold. That's on, choke, that's off. I just cut the logs up to length, just so they fit in the fireplace. I've got no feel in it at all. It's on, yeah. Well, doesn't look like she wants to start. Just start by now. Not even fart. Oh guys, I've checked the fireplace. I shouldn't have given up. One more pull. That's all it took. On the ground it was. Should start now. It fired a bit. Quit choking. Should go right to completely now. One more pull, God. Let that warm up. There we go. I'm fully aware I was close to the side of the trailer. Be careful, like guys, you hit the trailer with chain. I'll throw the chain back here real quick. That's the dangerous stuff. Or pull the chainsaw out of your hands, and yeah, it's dangerous. Be careful. But yeah, we're just saying with the deploying a chainsaw, my neck's no good, so lifting up wood like this, no problem. But trying to throw the wood above my shoulders, I don't have the strength no more. Because I moved bones into my spine, I just can't move things the way I used to move things. So I'm not strong the way I used to be. Yeah, be happy with this. I'll cut the big one here in half. Because I don't want to split them. My son can split, but if I've got a saw, he might as well use the cut in half. You think around the way, an easy way. Use the right tool for the job. It's a nice little saw. This type of work, that's the right thing. It's light, so to restart. That cut's good. That's pretty well solid stuff. Been sitting there for years. I get it for free now. Guy, the wood yard lets me pick it up, all the crap. He won't sell because it's muddy and dirty, so if I want, have to grab it, so saves me money. Do me a favour, because I'm doing you a favour. I can still roll wood around, big heavy round stuff, I can still do that. But I can't split it and throw it, so it's a quest really. I'm still alive, but you know, worse the way it was beforehand. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's fun too. I love playing this thing. Beautiful saw. Over and out.